हेलो एवरीवन, वेलकम टू आवर चैनल विजय क्लासेस। सो आज हम डिस्कस करने वाले हैं क्लास 7 की वर्कशीट जो है रिलेटेड पेरीमीटर एंड एरिया चैप्टर से। तो आज का टॉपिक हमने लिया हुआ है एरिया ऑफ ट्रायंगल। सो फर्स्ट क्वेश्चन, लेट्स स्टार्ट। फर्स्ट क्वेश्चन इन दिस वर्कशीट इज फाइंड आउट the area of a triangle in which base and height is given. So first of all, see that what is base and height. If in a triangle on which it is standing, that is known as base B, and the perpendicular height, okay, the height which is making 90-degree angle with the base is known as height. So whenever we are discussing about height, we are generally talking to a perpendicular height. तो बेस एंड परपेंडिकुलर की मल्टीप्लाई करके उसका आधा कर दें, ये होता है फॉर्मूला एरिया ऑफ ट्रायंगल। और जनरली वी स्पीक इन दिस वे, हाफ बी एच, ओके, हाफ बेस इनटू हाइट, ओके, एंड हाइट इज परपेंडिकुलर. So let's see the first question. First question is saying here base is given 18, okay, formula is 1 by 2 into base and height is 10. We have to solve this only. So it is 18 multiply 10, it is 180, and divide by 2, it will become 90. So option A is correct here. Okay, you have to do the calculation, just calculation only. Formula you know, half base into height. Okay, second question is that find out the area of a right angle triangle in which the length of the base and the perpendicular are given here. So in right angle triangle, understand right angle triangle already here, one here 90-degree angle. So this is base because on this side the triangle is standing, and the height, this height is known as perpendicular height. Why? Because already in right angle triangle 90 degrees there. So again use the same formula, and same formula is what? It is half base into height. So here half multiply 15 multiply 20. Okay, now by 2 you can cut this, it is 10, and 10 multiply 15, it is 150 is answer. It means option A is correct. And area always comes in centimeter, meter square, or whatever unit is given, you have to put the square of that. Area always comes in this manner. Okay, now question number third is here, that is find out the area of a triangle whose one of the side is 10 centimeter and the corresponding height is given. The corresponding height is given, it means here base is given 10. Okay, find out the area of a triangle whose one of the side is 10 centimeter and corresponding height means this height. So directly you have to multiply or use the formula, and formula is half base into height. Half base is what? 10, and height is 7. So by 2 you cut 10, you will get 5, and 7 5 is the 35. 35 is the answer of question number 3. Question number 4, you can check in a right angle triangle. See, whenever right angle triangle is there, the height is already there as a perpendicular height. Okay, so it is right angle triangle, and check here, and right angle at B. Question is saying that right angle B पर बना हुआ है. Okay, so AB is given 20. AB is 20, it means base is given 20, and BC, it is height, it is given 28. सो यहाँ डायग्राम से हमें पता है कि बेस और हाइट क्या है. बेस है 21 एंड हाइट है 28. सो हमें फार्मूला लगाना है, डायरेक्ट फार्मूला है हाफ बेस इनटू हाइट. सो लेट्स सी द कैलकुलेशन. हाफ बेस इज 21 मल्टीप्लाई 28. सो यू डिवाइड 28 by 2, you will get 14. 14 and 21 multiply you have to do, you will get your answer. So 14 1 14 here, here 1 carry, 14 to the 28 and 129. Okay, 294 is the answer. It means D part is the correct option for question number 4. Okay, now question number 5th part, diagram is already given, so here I hope no doubt. Let's see. So this 6 centimeter is the height and 8 centimeter is the base, and formula is half base into height, half 8 into 6. So by 2 you cut this 4, 6 for the 24, and 24 is the answer. Option A is correct for this answer. Now question number 6 here, find the area of an triangle where with the side of with side 8 centimeter and height 10 centimeter. Again same formula, half base into height, 8 multiply 10 and it will become 4, 4 tens are 40. जब तक आपको इसमें हाइट दी है तो हम परपेंडिकुलर हाइट ही मानते हैं उसे, ओके। जब तक अलग अलग से कुछ नहीं दिया तब तक हाइट इज नोन एज परपेंडिकुलर हाइट, फाइन। नाउ लास्ट क्वेश्चन ऑफ दिस सीट, ओके सॉरी सेकंड लास्ट इट इज। So now question number 7, find out the semi perimeter of a triangle whose sides are this. Perimeter you know already, perimeter means sum of all sides. So you have to add all these three sides of a triangle, 5, 4 and 6. 5, 4 and 6 when you add you will get 15. 5, 4, 9 and 6, 15. And half you have to do. Why? Because semi perimeter means half of the perimeter. So 15 half is 7.5. That's why answer C is correct for question number 7. Now let's go for the next question. It is eighth and last question of this worksheet. If the area of the triangle is 127.5, area is given this time, and find out its base if the height is given 15. So let's see, it is good question. And area is 127.5 and area is equal to what? Half b into h. Okay, now understand this 2 will go there in multiply. It means 127.5 multiply with 2, okay. And base is not given, you have to find, and height is given 15. So base and height both are in multiplication. So when the value of height, it means 15, it will go in denominator. So let's see, let's start the calculation. Calculation is here. 127.5 multiplied 2 is equal to b, and multiply we are writing with 15, so that 15 will go in denominator, fine, clear. Now you have to solve this, only this part you will get your answer. So let's start solution. By this decimal you remove, increase 10 in denominator, by 2 you cut, 2 5s are 10, by 5 you cut upper one, 5 2s are 10 and 2 is left, 5 5s are 25, 2 again left, 5 5s are 25, okay. Now by 15, 15 is left here, so 5 3s are 15, by 5 you cut, 5 5s are 25, 51, okay. 51 you have to cut by 3, you will get 17, okay. So this calculation you can do in your way, as I am doing this is my way, but keep the calculation easy always. So answer of this question is 17 centimeter, fine. So it will be easy if you are using you are removing decimal from first and then calculating, okay. So calculation will be easy as you are practicing maths daily. So keep practicing and enjoy. Thank you.